There was South Africa. We are not stupid, guys. Yesterday, Uskomoto released a letter of apology apologizing what happened. According to statements, Uskomoto, he was the one who posted the video Yaka Limpopo Boy and the married woman Matsidi. So, guys, and people were dragging Limpopo Boy to say, stop lying. We know very well you are the one who posted the video. There's no way Uskomoto have so much access to your cell phone. Come on, we are not that stupid. Yes, you might think we're stupid, but we are not, guys. So today he decided to release a personal statement, guys. We all know that everybody has released a statement. Kelvin family, they have released a statement. Matsidiso, she has also released a statement. So this is a statement from Limpopo Boy, guys. He can see now people are canceling him. So this is what he has to say. A statement from Matume Robert Mahlatsi Togo, 12 August 2026. To the people of South Africa, I'm writing this with a deeply humble and heavy heart. I know what has happened has caused pain, anger, disappointment, and many difficult emotions. I've heard the voice of South Africans, and I understand that many people have been affected by what has been unfolded. I like to take this opportunity to put the matters into perspective without being defensive and to show remorse to my poor judgment. So he continued to say on his statement that he discovered after the video it was linked that she was a married woman. He went on to say, I should have independently verified her marital status before sharing a private moment with her instead of doing that. So people are asking themselves, what do you mean? Because there's a video and there's a picture of him and the married woman and her husband together, guys. So you are lying to us to say you never knew she was married. I went on again to say, I apologize for a particular to the Shai family. You know, he apologized to the husband family to say, guys, some people are saying, well, these people know each other, these people are friends. What do you mean you say you didn't know she was a married woman? Come on, Limpopo Boy, we are not that stupid. So anyway, guys, that is the statement from Limpopo Boys apologizing to the people of South Africa to say what I've done to you guys, because a lot of people are being triggered by this video, guys, especially men who are married, guys. You know, maybe you find out your wife cheated on you. When you saw that video, it came back to you to say, yo, I guess I made a mistake, maybe I should let my wife. Guys, that video can cause a lot of divorce, trust me and believe it. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.